Look at this video.
No.
This video clip is not generated by Sora. This one is generated by a brand new AI video generator called Kling AI, and it's now available all over the world. And most importantly, you can try it for free. So, you definitely need to check out this amazing free AI video generator. Today, I am gonna try this tool and check the capability. So, let's dive in. Introducing Kiling AI. And this is the homepage of Kling AI. You can see we have a couple of different options like AI images, AI videos, and their video editor, which is also coming soon. These are some of the example videos generated by the community. We have a built-in AI image generator and also the AI video generator, but the main focus is going to be the AI video generator. Before going over there, we have to create an account. Click on the sign up and create an account with your email and password. Once you are logged in, upon the first sign up, you will get 66 free credits. These credits will expire after 24 hours, meaning you will get 66 free credits daily, so you don't need to worry about that. Now let's try the text to video first. Here you can see the prompt section. For example, I am typing, "A panda plays guitar by the lake." It's a very simple prompt. Let's see the result with a simple prompt. After entering the prompt, come to settings. This is the creativity scale, so you can also adjust the creativity. We can use a slider to control creativity and relevance. The higher the slider is, the more the video follows a prompt, and the closer the slider is to creativity, the more freedom the video generator has to create what it wants. After the creativity level, you will find the mode. Here you will find two options, standard and professional mode. The professional mode is only for the premium user. After the mode, you will find the length. You can generate 5-second and 10-second long videos. The 10-second video is only for premium users. Next, the frame ratio or aspect ratio. Even further, we have the camera control. So if you want to use any camera controls like the horizontal, vertical, zoom in, pan effect, or rolling effect, it all depends on you. One more interesting feature is the negative prompts, which I haven't seen inside of Luma AI, its direct competitor. You can also use negative prompts in it. So, let's type any negative prompts like blur, low quality, transition, morphing. Now we are ready to generate, and this will cost you 10 credits per generation. So, let's generate and wait for the magic. Alright, this is the output video, and it took around 4 to 5 minutes to generate. This is just outstanding. Look at the composition, lighting, and detailing. Most importantly, notice the panda and the guitar. There is no morphing or unusual activities. It's a perfect video clip. Alright, now let's try generating a video with the professional mode. We have to buy a subscription plan. To try the mode, I am buying a plan. Okay, you can see extra credits have been added to my account. And now we can access the professional mode and the 10-second video length. In the professional mode, we can't use the camera movement option. Here you can notice that in professional mode, and 10-second video costs 70 credits. Let's generate the video. This is the video. And honestly, the video quality is far better than the standard mode. There is another important thing I noticed, that the scene and character are very constant in this 10-second long video. That's really impressive. Now I am going to generate another video with a complex and rich prompt. This prompt is actually used on Sora to generate this video. Let's see how Kling AI produces the results. I am going the professional mode and 10-second video. This is the result. And the result is amazing. Although the video is 10 seconds long, it keeps it consistent. Light and composition is just amazing. I can't imagine a result like this with a short prompt like this with any other video generator. Alright, till now I have been generating realistic videos. Let's try to generate anime-style videos. I am entering a prompt for a Ghibli-style video. And this is the result. How was it? Let me know in the comment section. If you are enjoying the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Alright, that was the text to video feature. Now let's try the image to video feature. After coming to this page, click here and upload the image. After uploading the image, you can enter an additional prompt in this box. Next set, the creativity level, mode, and video length. Camera movement won't work in image to video mode. Next, the negative prompt. Once everything is set, hit the generate button, and this is the result. It's impressive. Now let's try with the same image with an additional prompt. I will use the same prompt used to generate the same image. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. And this is the generated video. I think the result is better than the previous one. So, this was the first look at Kling AI. In conclusion, Kling AI has potential in the video generator industry, although it needs some improvement. I hope they will do it. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about the Kling AI video generator. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!